Hello guys, I'm your friend UFO Guy here, and today we're gonna talk about once more about Buff Dogecoin, the king of memes, about the FUD around it, the potential 1000x gains, and did you really bring your grain of salt? Because I'm not a financial advisor and anything I say in this video is for purely entertainment purpose only. Also, a huge announcement happened on Twitter yesterday and we're gonna take a look at it as well. But before that, don't forget to... So if you wanna dive deeper into the tokenomics and prospects about Buff Dogecoin, you can watch the video that will appear up there. Today we're gonna be taking a look at the stuff that I said, plus the price chart. Now when I made my previous video, I didn't buy in Dogecoin and I do regret it, of course, because it did who knows how many thousand X's already. But anyway, it is not a bad time to join and I will tell you why. So today we're gonna begin backwards. We're gonna begin with the price chart. I did buy some coins, but since I don't wanna show you how much I hold in my bag, I'm just gonna tell you where did I buy and you will have to trust me or call me a liar. So I'm looking at the development of Buff Dogecoin ever since it came out, probably a week or two after that, and when it was at around this moment here, I started to really consider buying it. So I did the stupidest thing ever and I bought almost on the top, somewhere around here. And just a day after that, someone, I really got worried when this happened, but someone sold quite a lot of money. Good thing you can trace all of these transactions on PooCoin, and on the bottom I managed to see what is happening. 2 to 3 whales were selling some of their profits. Maybe all, maybe some, who knows. But it is understandable. If you invest $1,000 in a coin and it does a 30x in a couple of weeks, it's normal to take some profits, it's even healthy. And I really got worried that this is gonna turn out to be a pump and dump scheme, but I saw how quickly people started buying back and decided to buy back myself. So I bought somewhere around this candle here and then I DCA'd my way all around here. Now with the current price, as you can see here, you might think that I'm losing my money. And this is not the case. All of my investments, except for the one that I made on the top, are on profit. How is this happening? I buy higher than the current price and I still have profits. It's simple. As I mentioned in my previous video, if you want to buy the token, you need to set the slippage to 12%. I personally bought it at 6 to 8%, but to ensure that your transaction is gonna go alright with no errors from the side of PancakeSwap, you should probably consider setting it around 10 to 12%. So 5% of the transaction fees are being always redistributed amongst all of the holders. So the longer you hold, the more tokens that you're gonna have. So even if you buy at a high price and the current price is lower than that, at some point you're gonna be profiting because your amount of tokens is gradually increasing. And this personally is the thing that I love the most about Buff Dogecoin. But the other huge factor that didn't happen when I bought, but is about to happen in 7 to 8 days, hopefully if I understand the tweet correctly, is the double burn. I did explain the double burn mechanism in my previous video, and ever since then you can see how many double burns have happened. The next one of 256 million Buff Dogecoins is gonna happen hopefully in the next 7 to 8 days, because a lot of FUD was created around that person selling a lot of tokens and some people thought that it's a rug pull. The Buff Dogecoin army managed to grow at around 110,000 holders in less than 2 months and they were all worried. So the developer, which by the way is communicating a lot on Twitter and that is very positive for the coin, posted this: 8 days to the moon, double burn, hyper deflationary. In my opinion, this means that we're having 8 days until the next double burn here at 256 million Dogecoin. This will definitely drive the price up, but I will give you another reason to buy in if you're willing to risk on a meme coin. Once again, not a financial advisor, not a financial advice. You're the only person responsible for your money. So we're gonna swap in the relative strength index, and as it indicates, yesterday for almost 12 hours it was oversold. This means this, according to the index, was a great time to buy in. Currently the price has settled, but judging by the amount of money that's in the market cap, as you can see, $53.4 million, this can easily go to 500 million, up to 1 billion, even more, who knows. The amount of holders is growing with an incredible pace, and I have huge hopes about this coin. So even if the market cap goes to 500 million and no burns happen and nothing happens, and you don't get the extra 5% redistributed to your wallet, you're still gonna do a 10x on the coin. But of course it's gonna be much more than 10x. So this curve that you see in here is called consolidation. People are holding, buying little bit amounts so they don't drive the price up like crazy. Especially the whales, they don't want that to happen right now. And the next thing that usually happens in such curves is the big pump. And the big pump is around the corner, once again, in my opinion. Now, even though it's a meme coin and no one knows what is the future of it, recently I started buying some meme coins and I plan to hold them for the long term. Of course, some of them are gonna turn out to garbage, but I hope that at least one pops off. And there are two coins that I personally hold for the longer term, one of which is Buff Dogecoin, and the other one I will tell you in some other videos. Now I hope I gave you some thought about why should you invest or why you shouldn't invest into Buff Dogecoin, but I'm just gonna tell you one last thing. In their roadmap they said that they are gonna get listed on CoinMarketCap. So many of the new meme coins say that, but they never get listed because to get listed on CoinMarketCap you have to pay incredible amounts of money. That means the developer must already have these monies and pay to CoinMarketCap so they can claim some legitimacy. And here we are at CoinMarketCap and we can see Buff Dogecoin on 26,000 watch lists almost, ranked at 3,161. So even though this video is not sponsored, as I said, I do enjoy this coin a little bit too much. I will still leave the links to the website in the description box if you wanna get into it while it is still early. With this said, don't forget me to show your next meme coin that you want me to make a video of, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!